A Delhi court has remanded AAP MLA Amantullah Khan to judicial custody until 23 September in connection with the ongoing Delhi excise policy investigation. Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, is on a two-day visit to India, where he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Both countries have signed key agreements, including those related to nuclear energy and petroleum. The Indian Health Ministry has issued an advisory to all states and union territories to intensify screening, testing, and contact tracing for Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, after a suspected case in Delhi. Enhanced measures are being put in place to prevent an outbreak. India and the United States have commenced the 20th edition of their joint military exercise, Yudh Abhyas 2024, at the Mahajan Field Firing Ranges in Rajasthan. The exercise will continue until 22 September. Heavy rainfall in northern India has led to flooding in parts of Delhi, prompting authorities to issue a flood alert. The Yamuna River is rising, and evacuations have been initiated in vulnerable areas. The Meghalaya government has raised concerns over discrepancies in the recently published GST collection data, leading to discussions with the central government. The Supreme Court has taken up a case involving a high-profile rape and murder in Kolkata, with victims' families demanding stricter action against the accused. An inquiry has been launched into the recent collapse of a bridge under construction in Bihar, which resulted in multiple fatalities. Crude oil prices continue to rise, leading to concerns over inflation in India, as the country is a major importer of oil. The Congress Party has released its second list of candidates for the upcoming Haryana Assembly elections, intensifying the political atmosphere in the state.